So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what my outfit looks like. Hi guys, I'm starting the video right here. Basically what I did, my hair has been in the towel from the shower for like 2 hours now. I'm going to the club tonight. My friend wanted to go to the club and she's like, you want to go? And like, honestly, I don't want to go, but I'm really trying this thing where I be social and I go out of my house. Like, I really don't want to go though. I tanned myself because I'm really pale. As you can tell, like, this is like my natural. The white is like my natural. And then I tanned. Here's the thing though. So I use this one. It's not a 2-hour express or anything like that. I can only keep this tan on for like 3.5 hours before I have to wash it off and get ready. So I'm really scared that it's not gonna do anything. But I also thought that like anything would be better than the paleness that I am. So like even just a tiny bit of color would do a lot better. So yeah, I tanned myself. What I'm gonna do right now is just brush my hair. It's honestly still not even time for me to get ready, but I just wanted to do an intro. I wanted to tell you guys that I tanned, I self-tanned and all that stuff, and that we are going to the club tonight, and I'm bringing you guys along because I don't want to go. My friends are forcing me to go, so I'm forcing you to come along. It's a mess, but I'm trying to like plan an outfit. I don't really know what to wear. Basically, I found this bodysuit that I didn't even know that I had. It still literally has the tags on it, and these pants that I didn't even know that I have that literally still have the tag on them. I kind of like the fit. They don't have buttons. I mean, like belt loops, and I don't know if I should add this belt, but I kind of just felt like it needed something. Like, I feel like the outfit looks so boring, but like I added this, so it kind of makes it like a little bit better. I don't know. And then I'm thinking about wearing these shoes because these shoes right here, I got them from the Asia website. They're the most comfortable club shoes ever. Like, it literally feels like you're wearing basically slippers. This may be a winner. I don't know. The only downside is like it squashes the fuck out of my butt. Like, it kind of makes me look like I have Kylie Jenner's butt. Like, you know how like her butt is squashed like that? Does that make sense? These pants make me look like I have a squashed butt, if that makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, this may be one of the outfits. I don't know. I'm just kind of nervous about like my titty falling out. Hi guys, we're gonna get ready. I just did my eyebrows and all that stuff. I also did my hair. What the fuck is that? I literally don't know what the fuck that is. So I decided that I didn't want to wipe my spray tan off, so we're just going to go to the club with my spray tan on. Luckily, I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, and so that's going to be covered. I think that's toothpaste. I just brushed my teeth with like a blackening toothpaste. I really don't know if I should be going out like not wiping off my spray tan. My mom said that I should, but like, also excuse the mess in the bed. I didn't know what to wear, so there's a bunch of clothes. There's also a bag of food back there, and then all my dirty clothes, I mean, not all my dirty clothes, all my clean clothes just got out of the dryer, and I didn't want to stick them on the bed, so I threw them over there in that corner. So just please excuse everything. I'm a mess right now. Every single time that I try to go to the club, I'm literally a mess. I have literally 40 minutes to do my makeup. Well, actually, I have like 30 minutes to do my makeup, and then I have like literally like 15 minutes to get dressed. So this is going to be literally such a quick little get ready with me. I think I'm just honestly, probably because it's going to be like a vlog, I think I'm mainly just going to speed through. I don't know if I'm going to talk a lot because, you know, when I talk a lot, then the video goes longer. So I gotta leave at 10. It is currently 9:05 right now. So that's why we are in a rush, bitch. We are in a rush. I was honestly deciding not to go out, but then I was like, oh, bitch, like you kind of already got ready, you know? So yeah, we're going to get ready. I don't really know what I'm going to do for my eyes. I think I'm just going to do, I'm using the James Charles palette, and we're just going to do some random brown eye look. Bitch, I'm rushed. Like, if you ever had to get ready like for a club in like 40 minutes, like you probably know how stressed, you probably just feel how stressed out I am right now. I hate getting rushed. I feel like just the universe is telling me that I shouldn't go out, but I'm really trying, like I said, to be more social this year, because usually when somebody asks me to go out, I'll be like, yeah, sure, let's go out. And then right as like an hour before we have to go out, I say, never mind, I changed my mind. Public outings just stress me out. For the eyeshadow look, I think I'm just going to, for like a little like just natural brown eye look, because I don't really know what to do, so I'm just kind of mixing a bunch of the browner shades. God, I'm trying so hard to like, I don't want to rush because I don't want my makeup to look gross, but like, bitch, I need to rush. Also, the camera is making my neck look insanely dark compared to this. It's really not like that, like at all. Like, it really is like, these are almost the same color. I've only had my spray tan on for literally like 3 hours. I'm really nervous. Like, I'm so nervous to go to the club with my spray tan on. Like, what if I sweat through, or like, I don't freaking know, like, does it look clumpy over here? I feel like my titties look clumpy right there. Frick. Also, my skin's breaking out a lot right now. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. It's mainly, I don't know if it's like pimples. Like it is pimples, like they're small pimples, but a lot of my face is like, it's scarred. But bitch, I like just got off my period, and so you already know the drill. When you're on your period, your face breaks out so much. So I'm hoping over the next like 3 days it goes away, but there's a lot of forehead acne, and I haven't gotten forehead acne in so long. Like that used to be something that I struggled in so much growing up, and so seeing that come back, bruh, I'm like, bitch, who the fuck let you in? Not me. Chanel's birthday is tomorrow, so I'm really excited about that. It's her first birthday. I ordered her the cutest little outfit, and it came today. It's so adorable. If you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you guys probably already saw it. I like posted like a little like picture of all the stuff that I got. I'm like out of breath, bro. I also like haven't really eaten anything today. I ordered some food. I ordered chicken strips. I think it's because I haven't eaten anything all day that like my stomach hurt while I was eating the chicken strips, and it was just like fried food, and so my stomach was just not really reacting well with it. So I'm low-key like starving, and just every single time I go out in public, like I always get nervous. You guys all know I've just had like social anxiety a lot, like over the last year, a lot, because I just don't ever go anywhere. And so like when I do, I just get like so nervous, and so like going to the club, like I literally feel like I have to shit right now. Like actually, like I'm so nervous that it turns into like shit. So you guys ever get that? Like where you're nervous and so you feel like you have to shit 24/7? Because that's literally what I feel like right now. I like can't tell if that's even, but I think it is. I cleaned my makeup brushes for the first time in months the other day, and I'm honestly so glad that I did do it, because I feel like my eyeshadow was like working pretty smooth today. Kind of do like a little like small-ish like cut crease, but not really like a cut crease, like just like a little like cut out on the lid. We're gonna cut the lid out. I'm not gonna go up into my crease and make it like a full ass cut crease, but I'm going to like literally just cut exactly my lid. Okay, I've been getting ready for 11 minutes so far. Okay, we're just gonna go in with a champagne, a shimmery color mixed with the white, and that's gonna be the lid color. I'm actually going to take it with my finger. I'm next going to take a black liquid liner, and I'm just going to line the top of my eye. That line is not straight at all, but when I have my lashes on, we won't even be able to tell. I'm going in with this primer, the e.l.f. primer. Love, love, love primer so much. It works amazing. I just put it on my beauty blender. Most of the people apply this with their hand, like they just take it and apply it with their hand. Yeah, that like freaks me out, so I'm not doing that. So this is either gonna go really, really good or it's gonna go really, really bad. As you guys know, I never took the spray tan off of my face, so I'm praying, bitch, like how is this gonna work, bro? Like dead ass. I feel like if I spray perfume on myself, it's going to get the streak marks. But okay, we're gonna wear this foundation. It's by Maybelline. And I'm also going to take some of this illuminating facial oil, and I'm applying it into the foundation, because if I do not do this, then my foundation clumps on my skin. Like, you know, like when your foundation goes on patchy, or like your skin's just very, very dry that it's patchy. I recommend applying a face oil with your foundation, and it should take that problem literally away like instantly. I'm doing really well. The camera's only been running for 20 minutes. Now we're gonna go to my favorite part, which is concealer. I love concealer so much, like literally so much. I love foundation. I feel like does not work. Foundation don't do anything except for like put all the redness off of my skin. Then concealer, she's the coverage. She's the one that makes me look fucking good. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer, because honestly I haven't used her in a fat minute. And all the pimples that I have, which is literally my whole entire face right now, I'm going to cover. Yes, this is breaking out so much right now. It's so annoying. Bro, does anyone else accidentally get concealer on the top of their eyebrows whenever they carve out their eyebrows? Like I always have to remind myself to go back in and fix my eyebrows, because I done took half the fucking brow off. I got a new powder the other day, and I think we're gonna use her. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I was debating between that one and the Too Faced one, but my friend Kelly, she had the Too Faced one, and apparently it gave her the worst fucking flashback ever, but she really liked the powder. It just gave her such bad flashback. And so, bitch, you know, a bitch always on camera. The only time that my makeup's ever done is when I'm on camera, and so I cannot be having that, you know? Yo, I'm fucking rushing. Like, nobody better spill a fucking drink on me, because if they fucking do, knock on wood, do not spill a fucking drink on me. My spray tan gonna go everywhere, bitch. Bitch, we are all powdered up. Now it's time to go in with this bronzer. I got the Chanel bronzer the other day. This is the Soleil Tan de Chanel bronzer. And I've literally been wanting this fucking bronzer forever, bro. Forever. And I just told myself, like, Maddie, it's like, I don't want to spend $50 on a fucking bronzer, basically is what I was telling myself. But the other day I went to the mall with my friend Kaylee and I was like, bitch, just fucking get it. Like, honestly, just like stop being annoying and get it. And so I got it. But I haven't used it yet since being tan. I've only used it when I'm pale. So I'm really excited to see what this makes me look like. Now what I have to do is I'm going to contour my nose. Apply my lashes, then we'll be back. Okay, you guys, the makeup is done. I also have my lipstick on and all that stuff. I just did like I did this lipstick called Cafe. It's this little like liquid lipstick, and then I also applied Fenty Beauty on top of it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what my outfit looks like. Please excuse my dirty mirror. Whenever I spilled all that Powerade, it went all over my mirror. Also, the background's messy, I'm sorry. But this is what the outfit looks like. I'm really scared about this whole tip moment. I put on nipple petals just in case this rides up. You're not gonna see my nipple, you'll see my nipple petals, and like you'll see flowers and all that stuff. But the only issue is like I just realized this right now and I need to go. This is gold. As you can see, I'm going with silver jewelry, so I'm really just praying that nobody notices that throughout the whole entire night. Let's go to Kelly's because she keeps asking me when the fuck I'm gonna come over.
I have friends, guys. I'm proud of you. This is the thing, guys. I'm gonna cook us up something, guys.
I'm cooking up the vibe. Y'all, it's 4 AM and I'm finally motherfucking home. I am so exhausted. My head hurts so bad. I haven't really eaten anything today or drinking water, and so like a bitch just feels sick right now. I need to take my makeup off. I need to stick my Invisalign back in. I need to go the fuck to bed. I need to put my clothes on. It's my child's birthday.
She's 1 year old. Today is her birthday.
January 19th. That's the day that it currently is right now. And it's her birthday. And she just turned 1 3 hours ago.
I love you, mommies. I love you. It's your birthday.
Y'all, here's one last look at the outfit. This is the fit. She made it through a whole entire night. I'm motherfucking tired. I have a migraine. Like, actually, like, my head hurts so bad. We're about to do my favorite part. Oh, holy shit, bro. God, that felt so fucking nice. That feels so fucking good. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see next. Do you guys want to see like another one of these videos? I took my earrings out, so sorry if I look weird. But do you guys want to see like another one of these videos coming soon or whatever? Let me know what you guys would like to see. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn the little bell so you guys are notified when I post a video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys see what I'm doing when I'm not posting a video. I've been trying to become really active on those. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Good night, guys.